How can I fix my external hard drive without formatting it? In this video, you can try the 4 methods to repair the external hard drive without formatting it. Part 1. Assign a new drive letter. Sometimes an external hard drive is detected by your computer but does not appear in File Explorer because it has no drive letter or the assigned letter conflicts with another device. In this case, assigning a new drive letter may help Windows recognize the drive properly. Follow these steps. Press Windows plus X and select Disk Management. Find your external hard drive from the list of available disks. Right-click the drive and choose Change Drive, Letter and Paths. Click Add and select a new drive letter. Click OK and check whether the external hard drive appears in File Explorer. Part 2. Run CHKDSK to repair file system errors. File system corruption is one of the common reasons why an external hard drive becomes inaccessible or asks for formatting. Windows provides a built-in tool called CHKDSK that can scan the drive and repair certain logical errors. Here is how to run CHKDSK. Type command prompt in the Windows search bar. Right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. Enter the following command. HF. Replace H with the drive letter of your external hard drive. Press Enter and wait for Windows to complete the checking and repair process. Part 3. Update or reinstall external hard drive drivers. Driver problems can also prevent your computer from detecting or accessing an external hard drive correctly. If the drive suddenly stops working after a system update or connection issue, updating or reinstalling the driver may resolve the problem. Follow these steps. Press Windows plus X and select Device Manager. Expand the disk drives category. Right-click your external hard drive and select Update Driver. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the latest driver. If updating the driver does not solve the problem, you can try reinstalling it. Open Device Manager again. Right-click the external hard drive and select Uninstall Device. Disconnect the drive and reconnect it to your computer. Windows will automatically reinstall the required driver. Part 4. Repair Partition with TestDisk. If your external hard drive appears as raw, loses its partition information, or shows incorrect storage capacity, the problem may be related to partition damage. In this situation, TestDisk can help analyze the drive structure and attempt to restore damaged partitions. Follow these steps. Download and launch TestDisk on your computer. Select Create to create a new log file. Choose your external hard drive from the disk list and press Enter. Select the appropriate partition table type and continue. Choose Analyze to scan the drive for lost partitions. Select the detected partition and choose Write to restore the partition structure. Restart your computer and reconnect the external hard drive to check whether it can be accessed normally.